Paddles.
Your paddles?
Uh-huh.
What are you sitting on?
Sitting on my boat.
Oh.
I'm rolling the sharks away.
You're rowing the sharks away?
Yes. Bite my hand.
Oh, ow. Did it hurt?
Yes. Bite me. Ow, 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 ow.
Did you get an owie today at the Y?
Yes.
What happened?
Right there. And I got to kick my boo-boo away and clean it for me.
They cleaned it for you? Yeah.
And then go home and kick me away.
Yeah? How did you get your boo-boo?
Get a clock.
A truck?
Huh?
What happened?
Happened in the clock and I fell on it.
You fell on it?
Yes.
Oh. And you cried, right?
And I got to kick my boo-boo and then clean it like that.
Mm-hmm.
And that. And I get that.
Mm-hmm.
Like that. And then wash it like that.
What's your favorite doll's name?
Gonzalez
And
and Stella.
Stella.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, my puddles. Good to kick my puddles away. I got him.
Yay! You got him back.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm going to say whoa.
Yep. Can you sing ABC?
A, B, C, D, 9, D, T, D, T, O, S. Look, I'm making snakes.
Can you count?
1, 2. Uncle the blueberries.
You're going to count the blueberries?
1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm kind of blueberries.
Is it delicious?
Yes, I got more blueberries. It is.
In the shoe?
Uh-huh.
Ooh, those are stinky blueberries.
Yes. I give it to all you.
Oh, I get to have them?
Yes. I eat it together.
Okay, we'll eat it together.
And I eat 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Get the shoe put more blueberries in.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna lick your blueberries. And I'm gonna eat hot.
Oh, they're going to be hot?
Uh-huh.
Are you going to cook them?
Yes. I cook in my oven. I can have an oven. Right there. I have an oven right there.
Okay.
And for the blueberries, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow.
2 blueberries.
Hey, what's our neighbor's name?
Neighbor, Tina is.
Christina is. Who lives over there in that house?
Max did in that one.
Max?
In
No,
the bathroom.
Max went to the, yeah, he had a bath in there. But who lives in the house next to us?
Me did.
Does Anna live over there?
Yes.
Who else lives with Anna?
Kendall.
Vincenzo?
Uh-huh.
And who else?
Leo.
Rio. Yeah. And you know, Mr. and Mrs. Gwelly?
Oh, yeah.
The grandpa and the grandma?
I need to see them afternoon.
Okay. Bye-bye. You give Mommy a hug and a kiss and tuck her into bed?
Okay. Night-night, Mommy.
Good night. pillow. Oops.
Pillow? What about the bed bugs?
I'm peeing. I'm peeing.
You gotta go pee in the potty. Oops.
Olivia, you need to tell me.